Hello friends and my student. Today we are learn English subject standard 8 chapter number 2.4 English workshop. आज हम वर्कशॉप का अध्ययन करेंगे इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप चैप्टर नंबर 2.4 का. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग बाय inserting the correct word from the skit. The heavy load would not move. The police arrived to deal with the crime. My friend offered me to eat chocolate in the classroom. It was in mad rush to find my lost notebooks. The injured child kept groaning with pain. He stole the cash and vanished in the dark night. Second question is rearrange the order of the following event as per narrator. नरेटर के अनुसार इसको फिर से रीअरेंज करके इन शब्दों को लिखना है. पहले हम सभी जितने भी वाक्य हैं उनको पढ़ेंगे, फिर इसको क्रमानुसार लगाएंगे. द डॉग बिगन टू फॉलो रितेश टू स्कूल. द ग्रोनिंग मैन ज्वाइन टू द थीफ एंड रन अवे. अ ह्यूज डॉग वॉज सिटिंग ऑन रितेश स्कूल बैग. Ritesh hears the scream from the main road. A thief came running out of shop. A man groaning with pain was lying near the pavement. The dog refused to move. The dog itself found its owner. अब आप लोग इन सभी वाक्यों को देखिए. जहाँ पे वाक्य समाप्त होता है उसका हमने सीरियल नंबर दिया हुआ है कि जैसे ये है, ये पहले नंबर पे लिखा जाएगा और यहाँ पे हमने इसका नंबर दिया हुआ है, तो सबसे पहले इसको लिखेंगे और उसके बाद दूसरा, तीसरा, चौथा, पाँचवा, छठा, सातवां जितने भी हैं उनको इस क्रम के अनुसार इन वाक्यों को रीअरेंज करके लिखना है. यहाँ पे दूसरा है, तीसरा है, चौथा, पाँचवा, छठा और सातवां और आठवां. थर्ड क्वेश्चन डिस्कस एंड राइट द आंसर इन योर ओन वर्ड. वेयर द एक्सक्यूजेज गिवन बाय रितेश फॉर हिज लेट अराइवल ट्रू. गिव रीज़न फॉर योर रिस्पॉन्स. का उत्तर है कि रितेश ने देर से आने पर जो बहाने बनाए क्या वे सच थे. अपने उत्तर का कारण दीजिए. आंसर द एक्सक्यूजेस गिवन बाय रितेश फॉर हिज लेट अराइवल टू स्कूल वेयर नॉट ट्रू. फॉलोइंग इंसिडेंट टेल अस दैट द एक्सक्यूजेज वेयर नॉट ट्रू. द मैन लेइंग एंड ग्रोनिंग विद द पेन ऑन द पेमेंट स्टार्टेड रनिंग विद द थीफ. हिज डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द डॉग गिवन इन टू प्लेसेस इज डिफरेंट. He had not entered a shop before but said that he had left his bag in the shop. The story of the dog and its owner does not sound convincing. Did the teacher believe Ritesh's stories? How do you know that? क्या शिक्षिका ने रितेश की बातों पर विश्वास किया? तुम्हें यह कैसे मालूम हुआ? No, the teacher did not believe Ritesh's stories. Every time after his false excuse, the remarks something mockingly and ironically either suggested Ritesh that his excuses were false and he had made up these stories. Why did the teacher suggest that Ritesh should enter the story writing contest? शिक्षिका ने रितेश को कहानी लेखन प्रतियोगिता में भाग लेने का सुझाव क्यों दिया? That the teacher suggested that Ritesh should enter the story writing contest because she wanted to bring to his notice that whatever excuses he had made were false and knew it. To teasingly, she suggested him to enter the story writing contest. What according to you is the best way to correct children who are regularly late to school? First and the most important way to correct the latecomers is to make them aware about the importance of time in life. Teachers should call their parents and ask the reasons of her late coming and ask them to take care of their late coming. Teacher can convince such student how they lose their studies by coming late. Report the following in indirect speech. Ritesh, may I come in, madam? Ritesh requested the teacher if he could come in. Mrs. Sen, Ritesh, you are too early for the second period. Mrs. Sen told Ritesh that he was too early for the second period. Ritesh, I had left my bag at the shop. Ritesh said that he had left his bag at the shop. Ritesh, I am sorry, ma'am. Ritesh told the teacher that he was very sorry. Mrs. Sen, there's a story writing competition. Mrs. Sen said that there was a story writing competition. Fifth question is, imagine there is a story writing competition in your school. Frame a notice about the same to be put up on notice board. Cover the following point: name of the competition, at the what levels, date and time, venue, duration, pick the writing story, point to be considered while judging winners, prizes, can contact person for participant entries. इसका उत्तर इस प्रकार है: आवर स्कूल हैज़ ऑर्गेनाइज्ड स्टोरी राइटिंग कंपटीशन फॉर स्कूल चिल्ड्रन. द कंपटीशन फॉर द ग्रुप्स आर स्टैंडर्ड third to fifth and third to fifth and second 9 and 10. You may write any story of your choice, but it must be of your own. Any already published story will not be entertained. The competition will be held in our school assembly hall on Tuesday, the 14th of August 2018. ड्यूरेशन यहाँ 2021 कर सकते हैं. ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द स्टोरी राइटिंग विल बी 1 hour. देयर इज नो लिमिट अपवर्ड. राइटिंग पेपर विल बी प्रोवाइडेड बाय स्कूल. द लास्ट डेट ऑफ रिसीविंग एंट्रीज 8th of August. Their prize 3 prizes will be considered from each group of student. External judges will judge the winning stories. Point while judging stories will quality of language, style, story writing skill, imagination, novelty or newness of the story. Contact Srimati Golambe madam for giving your entries. Entry form are available in the school office. Hurry up, participate enthusiastically. Secretary, School Culture Committee. Thank you.